In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Shopify payments using a parent or legal guardian as the official account holder. If you're setting this up, the most important thing to understand is that the account holder for payments must be the person who is legally responsible for the financial information being submitted. That means if a parent or legal guardian is serving in that role, their details need to be entered accurately and completely so the payment setup can be verified properly. To begin, open Google Chrome and sign in to the store admin if you have not already done so. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, go to the settings area. From there, find payments and then select the option to activate Shopify payments. This is the section where you'll connect the store to a payment system so customer payments can be processed and payouts can be sent correctly. As you move through the setup, enter the full legal name of the parent or legal guardian who will serve as the official account holder. Make sure the name is typed exactly as it appears on their legal and tax documents, and you'll also need to provide their date of birth and tax credentials. Accuracy matters here because even small mismatches can slow down verification or cause the application to be flagged for review. Take your time and double check everything before continuing. Next, connect an active bank account that is registered under the same parent or guardian's name. This step is important because it legally anchors the payout structure to the verified account holder. In other words, the bank account details and the identity details should match. Using an account under a different name can lead to payout delays, failed verification, or restrictions on the payment setup. As you enter the banking information, make sure the account is active and able to receive deposits. It's also a good idea to review all the information one more time before submitting, especially the legal name, date of birth, tax details, and bank account ownership. Keeping everything consistent helps the approval process go more smoothly. Once that's done, complete the activation process and wait for Shopify payments to finish verifying the information. If anything needs to be corrected later, it's always easier when the original submission was entered carefully. Following these steps closely will help ensure the payment account is set up in a way that is both accurate and legally aligned with the official account holder.